Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Systematic reviews shows tech use may cut dementia risk. A new study published in Nature Human Behavior finds that regular technology use is actually linked to a 58% lower risk of cognitive impairment in older adults. To investigate the connection between digital device usage and cognitive health, researchers conducted a meta-analysis of 136 previously published studies analyzing data from over 400,000 adults aged 50 and older. This large-scale, systematic review allowed the team to assess trends across diverse populations and identify consistent patterns in cognitive outcomes. Their findings directly challenge the emerging concept of digital dementia, a term used to describe technology-induced memory loss and concentration difficulties. Instead, the research shows that regular engagement with digital devices is associated with better cognitive aging outcomes, primarily due to the mental stimulation and adaptability required to use modern technology. Dr. Michael K. Scullin, Associate Professor of Psychology and Neuroscience at Baylor and co-author of the study, explained that older adults, who often learn to use digital tools later in life, face cognitive challenges like adapting to new software, troubleshooting devices, or filtering digital content. These tasks, though sometimes frustrating, help stimulate the brain. He refers to this as digital scaffolding, using technology like reminders, GPS, and online tools to maintain independence and support brain function. Beyond cognitive stimulation, the study highlights how digital technology enhances social connectivity, which is a key factor in reducing dementia risk. Tools like video calls, messaging apps, and email help older adults stay in touch with loved ones, reducing isolation and supporting mental health. The findings suggest a shift in how we view digital engagement in older adults, not as a risk, but as a potential tool for maintaining cognitive health and independence. You can flip on the news on just about any day and see people talking about how technologies are harming us, said Scullin. We found the opposite. Technology use appears to benefit brain health. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.